Imagine this. It's 2010. A programmer named Laszlo logs into a Bitcoin forum. He posts a simple offer. I'll pay 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. Someone bites. 2 Papa John's pies arrive at his door, delivered by a kid on a bike. Those 10,000 Bitcoin? Today, they're worth over $1 billion. Laszlo didn't know. Nobody did. He just wanted dinner. That absurdity isn't a glitch. It's the origin story of cryptocurrency, a digital dream born from pizza money. But beneath the hype, something darker simmers, something that could rewrite money itself, or burn it all down. Stick around, because if you think crypto's just for tech bros and memes, you're missing the real game. Why this matters right now. Fast forward to today, April 2026. Bitcoin's hovering at $95,000. Ethereum's pushing $4,200. The total crypto market? Over $3.5 trillion. That's bigger than the GDP of most countries. Bigger than Germany's economy. Your retirement account? It might already touch this world through ETFs, pensions, even your bank's innovative savings options. But here's the tension. While grandma's 401k dips a toe in, nation-states are diving head first. El Salvador made Bitcoin legal tender in 2021. Now, in 2026, Brazil's testing a digital real backed by blockchain. China's yuan? Fully crypto-ready, despite their ban on everything else. Why the rush? Because money as we know it, dollars, euros, rupees, is cracking. Central banks print trillions to fight recessions. Inflation eats your savings at 5 to 7% a year. Trust in banks? Shattered by 2008, eroded further by scandals like FTX's $8 billion collapse in 2022. Crypto promises escape. Decentralized, borderless, yours to control. No middleman skimming fees. No government inflating it away. Or does it? Meet Alex, our everyman hero in this story. 35, office worker in a mid-sized city. Bills piling up, savings shrinking. In 2023, he hears the hype. Crypto's the future. He dumps $5,000 into Bitcoin, watches it double, feels like a genius. Then, 2022 bear market hits. His stack halves, panic sells at the bottom, locks in the loss. Classic tale. But Alex doesn't quit. He digs deeper, and that's when the real story unfolds. The birth, from cypherpunk dreams to digital gold. Crypto didn't spawn from Wall Street suits. It came from rebels, the cypherpunks, 1990s hackers dreaming of privacy in a surveillance world. Enter Satoshi Nakamoto, pseudonym, Ghost in the Machine, October 31st, 2008. The world melts down, Lehman Brothers implodes, markets freeze. Satoshi drops a white paper, Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. 9 pages, no fanfare, solves the impossible, digital money without banks. How? Blockchain. Alex stumbles on this while scrolling Reddit at 2 a.m. Blockchain, he thinks? It's buzzword soup. But it's simple, brutally elegant. Picture money as a shared ledger, like a Google Doc everyone can see, but tamper-proof. Each block is a page of transactions, linked in a chain. Cryptography seals it. Math so tough, altering one block breaks the whole chain. Bitcoin's Genesis block, mined January 3rd, 2009. Satoshi embeds a headline. The Times 03 Jan 2009, Chancellor on the brink of second bailout for banks. A finger to the system. First transaction, Satoshi sends 10 Bitcoin to developer Hal Finney. Pizza guy Laszlo? 5 months later. By 2011, Bitcoin hits $1. Alex imagines, if only I'd been there. How it works, step by step, no hand-holding. Alex pauses his research, grabs coffee. Time to decode the machine. Step 1. Wallets. Your crypto lives here. Not a leather pouch, a digital key pair. Public key, your address, like an email anyone can send to. Private key, your password. Lose it? Gone forever. No customer service. Alex downloads a wallet app. sees his first address, BC1QYX2KGY JRSQ TZ29OYR F249-3P8 6KK JFHWLK. Step 2. Transactions. Want to send Bob 0.1 Bitcoin? You sign it with your private key. Broadcast to the network. Nodes, thousands of computers worldwide, verify it. No double spending. Math proves it. Step 3. Mining. The heartbeat. Miners compete to solve puzzles. Think Sudoku on steroids. SHA-256 hash function. They guess nonces, random numbers, until the block's hash starts with enough zeros. First to solve, adds the block. Gets 3.125 Bitcoin reward, halved from 6.25 in 2024, plus fees. Why puzzles? Proof of work. Energy-intensive security. Bitcoin hash rate, 700 exahashes per second in 2026. That's more computing power than 1 million supercomputers. Absurd? Yes, but it makes attacks impossible. To rewrite history, you'd need 51% of that power. Cost? Billions. Hourly. Alex runs numbers. One Bitcoin mine in Texas uses as much power as 10,000 homes. Global network equivalent to Argentina's electricity. Irony, the green revolution runs on coal in Kazakhstan. Ethereum shifted gears. 2015 launch. Vitalik Buterin, 19-year-old prodigy. Not just money, smart contracts. Code that auto-executes. Send Alice $100 if she delivers the widget by Friday. No lawyers. How? Proof of stake post-2022 merge. Validators stake 32 ETH. Proposed blocks get slashed for bad behavior. Energy use? 99% less than Bitcoin. But centralization risk? Top stakers control 40% of the network. Alex experiments. Buys 0.01 ETH. Sends it to himself. Feels the power. No bank. Instant. Fees? $2. The uncomfortable math. What they don't tell you. Deeper Alex goes, darker it gets. Hype screams to the moon. Reality? Cold equations. Supply caps. Bitcoin, 21 million max. 19.7 million mined by 2026. Last one, 2140. Scarcity drives value, but velocity matters. If everyone hodls, price pumps. If they dump, halvings. Every 210,000 blocks, 4 years, reward halves. 2009, 50 BTC. 2024, 3.125 BTC. Inflation rate drops to 0.8% annually soon. Gold's 1 to 2%. Dollars, 2% target, often 5% plus. But volatility. Bitcoin swung 80% drops 6 times since 2011. 2022 from 69K to 16K. Alex's 5K vaporized to $2,500. Fees. Ethereum Gas Wars 2021, $100 plus per swap. Layer 2s like Optimism fix it. Pennies now. But bridges? Hacks stole $3 billion in 2022 alone. Alex crunches. Compound annual growth, Bitcoin 200% since 2013, but survivorship bias. 2,000 plus coins launched yearly, 90% die. Dogecoin, meme coin, 2013 joke. Elon tweets, hits $90 billion 2021. Now, $30 billion. Infinite supply, pure speculation. Alex leans back. It's not magic, it's math. Rigged for the patient or the insiders. Hype versus reality. The great contrast. Pop culture sells Lambos. TikTok gurus promise 100x. Regulators? SEC sues Coinbase 2023, calls most tokens unregistered securities. Reality check? Adoption real but slow. 500 million users worldwide 2026. PayPal integrates, Visa settles $10 billion yearly in crypto, but daily Bitcoin volume matches Visa's 1%. Ethereum, DeFi lends $100 billion. Locked value peaked at $180 billion 2021. Contrast, hype ignores rugs. 80% new projects pump and dump. Celebrity coins? Most tank 90%. Alex reflects on his trade. Hype blinded him. Reality? Tools for the world. Remittances. Filipinos save 6% fees versus Western Union. Artists sell NFTs direct. No galleries. But scams. $14 billion lost 2024. Phishing. Rug pulls. Alex spots one. Fake Elon giveaway. Send 1 Bitcoin, get 2 back. Idiots bite. Irony peaks. Banks you hate now offer crypto custody. JP Morgan's Onyx blockchain processes $1 billion daily. The revolution gets co-opted. Broader implications. Zoom out. Crypto's not niche. It's a mirror to money's future. CBDCs. 130 countries piloting. FedNow plus blockchain. Digital dollar by 2028.